So are you somebody who commonly experiences some form of headaches or migraines? And if you are, what have you done so far to try to help with that or stop that? What is it, your Advil or your Aleve, or maybe you try to avoid bright lights or loud sounds, and maybe you've been to the doctor and you're on prescriptions like Imitrex or maybe even Neurontin. How's that working for you? Normally that doesn't really help. Maybe it takes this thing out, but those headaches are persistent, they do not go away. Let me tell you why we do so well with our people with headaches. If you are someone who suffers from headaches or migraines, there is a very specific area that I'm gonna look at. It's called your upper cervical spine. It's C1, C2, or sometimes even C3 and the jaw. If you are someone who suffers from headaches and one of those areas are affected, then I know I can help you. The way we find out, we bring in and we will take a very specific set of x-rays. We can identify if those joints are affected. And if they're not, I won't waste your time. But if they are, then I know I can help you. So if you've got headaches, you've got migraines, let us see if we can help you.